What's up, everybody? I'm back with another knife review, and today we're going to be checking out the Spyderco Smock. Now, this is the DLT exclusive that was actually sent in by my buddy Big Red EDC. So as usual, I'm going to leave a link to his channel down in the description. He's been doing this a lot longer than me, so definitely go check him out if you haven't already. You know, he's an awesome guy. And I actually asked him to send this guy over because I was really wanting to get a smock for myself, and I wasn't sure if I wanted the carbon fiber version or go in on this DLT exclusive, which is probably sold out now, but you know, chances are I'll be able to find one eventually. Now, this thing right here is pretty sweet. You can see it has a satin hollow ground Wharncliffe blade, which is made from M390. Now, this thing is an absolute cardboard killer and stayed sharp the whole time while using it. Now, the handle scales are red and made from G10, and they are over stainless steel liners. Now, the pocket clip is tip up reversible deep carry. You know, it's not like regular Spyderco knives where you can go tip up or tip down, and that's pretty much because there's a button lock right there that would be in the way. Now, the ergos on this knife kind of left a little bit to be desired. You know, if you held it down here at the choil, you know, your finger don't really line, or your thumb don't really line up as far as the jimping goes. But if you place your middle finger right there in the choil and kind of hold it like this, it lines up just fine. Anyway, now the action on this guy is pretty sweet, you know, although it's very fidgety considering it's a button lock. It don't necessarily deploy like a button lock in the sense where you can press the button and actually deploy the blade. You can do it with a little bit of force, but to be honest, with the Spidey hole and this actually non-aggressive flipper tab, it works out pretty well. I mean, this thing is pretty sweet, and I gotta hand it to Spyderco. The Smock is definitely on my radar. Now, the overall length on this guy is 7.95 inches, the blade being 3.375. The cutting edge is 2.875 with a width of 1 inch. Now, the thickness of the blade is 0.12. The handle length is 4.50. The width is 1 inch, and the thickness is 0.45. Let's get a weight on this bad boy real quick. This thing takes forever to boot up. 3.635. So great EDC weight, great size. It's not too thick, doesn't take up a lot of pocket real estate. It's definitely an EDC knife. Now, compared to the Para 2, you can see it's right around, I don't know, ½ inch, 3/4 of an inch shorter than the Para 2. Compared to the Para 3, which that's my baby right there. But compared to the Para 3, it's right around 3/4 of an inch larger than the Para 3. So again, decent size, and again, with the slim profile, it fits the pocket quite well. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe if you haven't already. Check me out on Instagram for much more. Stay safe. See you guys on the next one.